Sweet potato casserole this fall doesn't have to be unhealthy. I'm going to show you how. You're not going to lose any flavor. Stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching today. Make sure you click that like button, hit that bell so you never miss a new recipe or a new health tip. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet potato casserole. This recipe doesn't even require you to change your buds too much. You're going to love it from the first bite. So stay tuned. Sweet potato casserole. Potato. Now, sweet potatoes have a lot of potassium in it, so if you have advanced kidney disease and need to be on a limited potassium diet, sweet potato casserole may not be for you, or if you do have it, probably a small portion is safest for you in your diet. But talk to your doctor or your dietitian about what is safe for you. All right, check out this sweet potato casserole. I'm gonna show you how to make this. Beautiful crust, healthy, gonna love it. Okay, 2 potatoes. Okay, so first of all, why do we poke those holes in the potato? We don't want your potatoes to explode. You see that little tin foil there on the bottom? That tin foil is going to prevent you from having a smoking, dripping oven. So if you don't poke and don't tin foil, you run the risk of exploding potatoes and a smoky oven. Okay, these potatoes are going to come out extra sweet, okay? Snap your fingers. Remove the skin. Okay, a little bit of oil. Okay, as you note, we're just going to add some spices and a tiny bit of sugar here. We're not adding a lot of sugar here. And then a little non-dairy milk. Mix it up. This in and of itself is so sweet without any sugar. Okay, this is easy. Smooth it out really nicely. This is where we're going to avoid the pitfalls of the marshmallows on top. So we're going to make our topping with just a little bit of oats, some cinnamon, and then our butter, vegan butter. I use vegan butter, Earth Balance. Mix it all together with your professional forks. Spread it on top. Looks like oatmeal, but it tastes like crisp. Bake it in the oven. Comes out delicious. Perfect Thanksgiving addition. Change your buds, enjoy. Here's the shot, the close-up. Not gonna get any money shot of me eating it here today, but the close-up looks pretty good. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman. I'm a board-certified kidney doctor, and I'm also the cooking doc. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my website, thecookingdoc.co. Check out my book, The Cooking Doc's Kidney Healthy Cooking, a modern 10-step guide to preventing and managing kidney disease, and I'll see you next time.